Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The last session saw the Bitcoin gain 0.7% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The euro rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The pound got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market, supporting the technical analyses positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Nvidia's shares recouped earlier losses to trade higher, propping up chip firms after a bruising sell-off in the prior session, in a sign that AI optimism on Wall Street held out despite concerns around the stock's lofty valuations. US job openings dropped to a 3.5-year low in July, suggesting the labour market was losing steam, but probably not enough for the Federal Reserve to consider a big interest rate cut this month. Job openings had fallen by 237,000 to 7.673 million on the last day of July, the lowest level since January 2021. Bitcoin could be heading to a correction below $54,000 after the global crypto market capitalization fell below a key psychological level. The global crypto market capitalization fell below the $2 trillion mark after decreasing 3.46% within 24 hours.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ADP employment change will be released at 12:15 GMT. The US ISM Services PMI at 14 GMT. The Eurozone's retail sales at 9 GMT. Japan's overall household spending will be released at 23:30 GMT. Australia's trade balance at 1:30 GMT. Japan's JP foreign reserves at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.